Never before have we had such an awareness of what we are doing to the planet.
If we continue on our current path,
our activities will trigger irreversible changes
that will devastate economies and make parts of Earth uninhabitable.
Let's choose, by the end of this decade, to look after our only home.
We can, together, protect and restore nature.
Clean our air.
Revive our oceans.
build a waste-free world,
and fix our climate.
We will award the Earthshot Prize
to the most outstanding efforts to meet these challenges.